Well, hello there. My name is sometimes Heather and I make things. Once upon a time, not that long ago, I made 2 off-shoulder knits. These will be available as knitting patterns in the not-so-distant future. They're super simple to make and perfect for layering. But that is not the topic of today's video. Instead of these knits, we shall talk about leftovers. As I finished the stripy top, I was stuck with less than half a ball of pink cotton. I turned it around in my hands again and again and decided to turn it into flowers. A chain of flowers, actually. How, you ask? I show. To start, chain 20. Keep these stitches nice and firm for they will be very visible. Then make a looser chain stitch and chain 4 more. Turn and make a slip stitch into the looser chain stitch. This will create a circle with a long tail. Into the circle, single crochet 10 times and secure that with a slip stitch. Single crochet into the first stitch and follow with 4 chain stitches. Single crochet into the next stitch, chain 4 again, and single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat through the round 5 times in total. Close with a slip stitch. This will leave you with 5 loops, which we will now turn into petals. Into the first loop, single crochet, double crochet 4 times, and finish with a single crochet. Repeat for the second loop. Single crochet, double crochet 4 times and finish with a single crochet. Once you get to the third loop, we need to do something about that tail. So, single crochet into the third loop and double crochet twice. When starting the third double crochet, wrap your yarn around the chain stitch tail to secure it to the flower. This way, the flower will stay in place, securely attached to your chain. Double crochet twice more into the third loop, 4 times in total, single crochet and move on to the next petals. Once you reach the end of the round, secure firmly with a slip stitch, making certain there's no gaping. Chain 15 and form the basis for the next flower. A looser chain, 4 more, slip stitch into the looser chain to form a circle. Single crochet all around 10 times in total, and into those stitches create loops that will become petals. Repeat the process to create a chain as long as you'd like. You can wear it as a necklace or a bracelet, wrap it in your hair or even tie it around your waist for a belt. These simple flowers can be made into earrings or hairpins or even rings to wear around your fingers. I have made a written pattern for the flower chain, and that is available for purchase in my shop. I hope you will enjoy these summer accessories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Stay safe.